Hi guys, in today's video we're going to be unboxing a scrapbooking box from Grabie, and I'm really excited to share this with you guys. I want to give a big thank you to Grabie who sent this to me for free to review. I thought this was a really fun subscription box. Every month you can get scrapbooking supplies sent to you, and they have different themes every month. If you guys are interested, I have a coupon code that you can use to save money on your order. So the theme of this month's box, this is the August box, was planners, and they sent us all kinds of cool stuff to use in a planner. The first one's not really planner related, it's just this cute little grid notebook. I love the look and feel of this, so I think this is great to just test out your supplies or use to take notes. The next item is this set of pastel Mon Ami pens. I actually have one of these and I really like it. It's a really light pastel color and has a fine tip and works really well. And then we have these planner stickers. This one was really cool. It's just this notebook with such a great variety of stickers to use in your planner. They have numbers for like calendars if you want to do that, and just all kinds of fun shapes and things to decorate your planner and make it look really pretty and pastel. And then this was really nice. I thought this was cool. It's like a stamp set which has the months and the days of the week and numbers. So if your planner doesn't have that already written in, that's a really great tool. Oh, I love this next item. This is a set of I guess scrapbooking tools. It comes with 4 items. The first one is a ceramic pen, and it just looks like a ballpoint pen, but it has this mini sharp ceramic blade on the bottom which you can use to cut things. And then it comes with these pretty pastel tweezers. This next item looks like it's a gel pen, but it's actually a glue stick. So I love, how fine it is, and you can really glue small things with it. And then this next item is either a scraper or something to like press down your stickers. I'm not sure. So this is just a variety pack of stickers that I guess they put together for this month. They had a lot of cool and unique things that I haven't really seen before. These are number stickers with a flower on them. And I think this is one of my favorite things in the box. These are a set of wildflower stickers. There's so many different ones to choose from. And I like how it's this indigo and white color. This would be really good for like a summer scrapbook where, maybe you went to the mountains or something like that. I think it would be really nice to decorate the edges. They have all these, scraggly looking wildflowers. So I really like this. I ended up doing a journal page, and I used some of the stickers on the border. But at the end of this video, I'm going to be doing a type of journal with me type of video where I'm going to decorate my planner for the month of September. So you guys make sure to stay tuned for that if you're interested. So this next item is a pack of rainbow washi tapes that look like they're torn, and there's all different colors, lots of patterns, and different sizes. So this is just a great thing to use to decorate your planner or scrapbook or anything. It adds a really nice touch, I think, and I like how they have such a big color variety. So these are washi stickers. Like, it's the same material as washi tape, but they're just stickers. So this next item is a set of dots. They have lots of different colors, and I love the texture on these dots. It's really thick, and it has sort of this grid texture to it, but they just feel really high quality, and there's a really nice color selection too. So if you're going for a certain color theme on your scrapbook or your journal or your planner, these are all perfect. You can make them into a happy face or the center of a flower. So these next stickers are girls just doing different things, and they have like, you know, little sayings and decorations on the side. There's one clear sticker sheet, and then there's another washi sticker sheet. So I thought this set was really nice and really fun. And then they have this little mini envelope with some cute stationery items in it. Let's see what we have here. I love the variety in this pack, actually. So this one is a set of die, like cutouts. I don't know what these are called, die cut items. There's like a fair scene and a carnival scene, that's what this is. And there's like houses. The level of detail on these is so amazing. They're really delicate, and like you can even like color them to be a certain color. You can just keep them white. I thought these were so pretty. And then there's this little notepad which has all of these little phrases and sayings that you can cut out and put in your scrapbook or your journal. It has like a really rustic feel, so I'm really excited to use these. I've seen people gluing these phrases, you know, when you watch those videos on like TikTok or Instagram, but now I finally have a book of my own. This next item is a pack of sheer vellum papers, and they all have different designs on them. They were a little bit hard to get out of the packet, but this was really pretty. This kind of paper I think you would see inside of a fancy wedding invitation or something like that. So I'm really excited to use those. Oh, this is something else that I really liked. I like this little variety of like, it's just a little hodgepodge of stickers and decorative papers, and there's even a pressed baby's breath stem on top. I'll have to be really careful with that. But the color theme is like light blue and brown, so everything in this set kind of has that color scheme to it, like a pastel, but also like a rustic feel to it. So some of these are washi stickers, and others, I mean, this one is just a little circle paper cutout, and then there's these paper items and some calendars and like little note things. So this is great for scrapbooking or using to decorate your planner. I'm really excited to use this. I think this is probably another one of my favorite items in this box. I just like the variety. So the next item is sort of like a decorative paper letter set, and it has a mix of vellum and regular paper items, and they're all different sizes, so you can use this to like write a cute note or use to decorate the border of your scrapbook or your planner. And I like the vintage feel that it has and all the different textures and designs. The first one kind of looks like a bookmark or like one of those old library cards that are in the back of the library book, and then you have to write your name on it. I don't know if anyone, and if any of you guys remember those days. I thought this was really pretty. I like how it just has a mixture of different things. Super vintage feel to it. So like if you have a smaller notebook, you could probably use it to cover the whole page and then put other things on the front. Leave a comment below and let me know what your favorite item is so far. And then this is the last item. This is a little pack of decorative paper. I like how they tied it with the twine, but this is all sort of like it's in the colors, like a tan brown color scheme, and matches with a lot of the other items in the box. So this is like great for just making backgrounds. Really cute vintage designs. So let me know what you guys thought of that box. I thought it was so unique and fun. Grabie was started during the pandemic to help people with anxiety, because when you do crafts and make things with your hands, some people find it really calming. I definitely agree, and they donate some of their proceeds to mental health organizations and helping to support underserved communities and give them art supplies. So right now I'm going to be doing a journal with me type of video. This is the Midori Traveler's Notebook, and I got one of those blank planners where you have to fill in the calendar days, because I am not really a big planner person, to be honest. I like decorating the calendar, but sometimes I have trouble keeping up, and then like months will go by or I haven't used my planner. So I got the blank one. So I think I got this in 2022 and I skipped a whole bunch of months. I still have like this planner. And so I'm going to do September 2023 and use some of my Grabie scrapbook supplies to decorate my planner. So summer's coming to an end. My kids are starting school in about a week. I can't believe how quickly this summer has gone by. It's been such a blur. Leave a comment below and let me know what you guys have been up to. This summer we didn't go on like a fancy vacation. We went to visit my family in California for a few weeks, and it was just so crazy and hectic. My husband's family lives there, and my family also lives there. We're both from California, but we live on the East Coast now, so whenever we go back to California, we see a lot of our family and friends. And this trip was really busy for us, so I didn't really feel like I got a chance to relax, and I was also working virtually for part of that time, so it was just really busy. And then after we were done with our trip, my sister came and visited me for a week with her kids, and I took that week off of work. And I think that was probably like one of the best weeks of my summer, just hanging out with my sister at my house. We didn't try to go anywhere. We didn't do any sightseeing. We just let our kids play, and they get along really well. They're about the same age. And I just hung out with my sister, and she helped me clean my basement and my kitchen, and we just kind of relaxed and talked, and it was really fun and really nice. So that was probably like one of the highlights of my summer. So you know, we've been spending a lot of vacations in California visiting family, but I think I want to start doing a little bit more traveling, and I want to take my kids back to Japan. I want to take them to some places in Europe. So I'm thinking maybe next summer we'll do sort of an international trip. But we'll see, because my daughter's going to be doing some dance activities, and I don't know, I think our time is going to be a little bit more limited to take vacations. I actually prefer not to travel in the summertime because it's just so hot, and if you want to do things other than go to the beach, it could be just way too hot. So I actually prefer traveling during the fall or the spring, but now that my kids are in school, like, I don't want to take them out of school for that long. But on the other hand, you know, I think they'll be able to make it up, so it won't be too bad as long as we don't go for too long. But we'll see what we do next summer. I'm not really sure. So nowadays, the big thing is to send your kids to these summer camps, but they're not really camp like what I think of. When I think of camp, I think of going away and sleeping in a cabin for like a week or something. Like the camps now are just like daytime activities for kids, and you have to sign up in February for these camps. It's kind of insane. So I signed my daughters up for a dance camp, and an arts camp, and when so for the beginning of the summer, we just kind of relaxed. We went to California, visited with cousins, but for the month of August, like end of July and early August, they were going to these camps, and it kind of felt like I was sending them to school. So I think, camps are kind of overrated. I think next summer I'm not going to do a lot of camps. I'm just going to do maybe a couple of weeks. But when I was a kid, we didn't do camps at all. I think, well, actually, I did them when I got older. I did like sports camps, but when I was in elementary school, I would just go to my grandma's house or go to my cousin's house, and we would play all day long, every single day. Just running around the neighborhood, running around the yard unsupervised, waiting for the ice cream truck to come, digging in my grandma's sofa for loose change that we can use for the ice cream truck, and just laying on her couch and being bored and watching reruns of I Love Lucy. So I feel like that's kind of what summer was for me, and now parents just schedule their kids for all these things. And I haven't done that so much in the past because we were living in Japan and Korea, but now that we've been back in the US for a while, we're kind of getting into like these habits. But I think like I want to do less of that in the summers to come, and do like more family activities and spending time together and just letting my kids be bored. So we'll see, but that's just like what I was thinking about this summer. But now summer's coming to an end. We're getting ready to go back to school, making all these back to school videos and trying to get back into YouTube. I feel like I had this plan this summer to edit all of these videos that I have from Korea, summer vacation trips, when we went to Busan and Gyeongju, and I just ended up getting really busy. So I didn't edit as many videos as I wanted, but I'm going to try to do a better job in the next coming months and do some more editing. Anyway, if you guys have stuck around this long, thank you so much for watching this video, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Thanks, and I'll talk to you next time. Bye.